China to see the fashion industry there. Here we're working, it was so crowded and very exciting. I think we're the only blacks in this particular fair, and it was very, very good to see that, people from all over the world come to this fair to source. For those who don't know, I'm Shola Babatunde. I am very technical. I love to know about machines and behind the scenes. Here I'm visiting the malls to see the indigenous Chinese fashion designers, fashion brands. It was so exciting to come and see this place that's owned by a Nigerian. Look at how beautiful it is. His clothes were very different. That's him right there. Shout out to my newfound brother. We did our woven labels with all the care instructions and everything. Then I went to check that the machines I'm ordering are working. I like to test everything, so they had to unbox it, set it up for me. That's the woman who owns the factory where I bought the machines from. She took us out for lunch. Back again to another stand, checking all the machines that can weave and knit the bags and different things. Well, considering maybe to buy this, yes or no, I'm not yet sure if it's something we need, but it was fun to see how many threads and looms goes into weaving this product. There were so many machines and many things to see. This is 2 weeks into this 6 or 7 minute video. Here where the robotics is so amazing to see how technology has taken over manufacturing. I'm a garment manufacturer. I love manufacturing processes that embrace technology. Look at this packaging machine. For those in spices or any industry that needs packaging, it's automated. It just does it for you and seals it up neatly. Here we visited another stand, automatic metal, robotic machines that are producing different metals. So even though I'm a garment manufacturer in the fashion industry, I try to ensure I know more than just my industry. My buttonhole suits machine, one of the best brands, tested and dusted. I was so excited. Then we went to eat. Oh, they are so hospitable. They take you to very, very lush, restaurants to eat. It was amazing. Our cab driver was so overwhelmed with how awesome we Nigerians are that he followed us everywhere, and he got invited to eat with us. This was one delicious meal. I really like their cuisine. Street food, Chinese street food. This is another day. We're working and we walked back to the fair. Another check. That's yes, until they get the setting I want. I'm very, very particular about the finishing. So now I'm happy. I think I was happy here. Then back to the food. The food was very, very good, I must say. My sisters and the people that we went to eat together, me. It was such a good time. After a very, very long and hard day's work, walking up and down, checking the booths, you don't just go to these places for fun. You have to ensure that you know what you are doing. Climbing all the stairs, walking up and down. I think I'm showing the same food stand again, but the food was really good. Even though it was street food, it was good. Then we got to the mall. The market is actually amazing. It looked like a Nigerian mall, but it's the market. There's corn on the cob, and here are the stores selling different items that are made in China. Why I put this particular video up is that there was nothing in the whole market that was from another country. Every single thing, from jewelry to hats, shoes, bags, of course, were made in China. I dream of the day that Nigerian markets, malls will be like this, that everything there, at least maybe up to 80%, is made in Nigeria. Even the brands, the store, I loved how they used the machines to do their window display. Every single store in here, the clothing store, all the clothes were made by the designers. So this is like a mall that has all the indigenous Chinese fashion designers. Trust me, the things were not cheap. They were not cheap at all. All made in China for Chinese. Back again to check the next machines I ordered. They came in. They're teaching me how to use it and what it does. So for your sportswear, gym wear, all those that have been calling us, you make gym wear, you make gym wear. I see people sewing it with single needle lock stitch, but that's not the right way to do it. So you can see, for those of you who have, all those top brand gym wear, if you check the stitching, you will see this stitch on it. OSC now has that machine. Yes, I'm so excited. I'm like a child in a candy store when I see sewing machines. So this video is long, but yes, it's worth it. Then we did another stop to a print machine factory. They do printing. It was quite fascinating to see how everything was automated. I had to cut this video down, but trust me, if you see this factory, you won't want to have a lot of people in the factory. With just the line set up from start to finish, I think they had only just 5 people, but they produce over